but love them. When it comes to our four-legged family members,
Stop it.
it's unconditional.
I wonder who made this huge mess.
Gosh.
No matter what,
I would be ashamed of myself.
our precious pets, they outsmart us,
Totally gonna get on that.
embarrass us,
What happened in here?
eat us out of house and home.
Rather not be
Stinking.
Cooper.
Man's best friends.
Here's Charlie getting his snack.
Anybody highly overweight?
Caught on tape acting like our worst enemies. We've circled the globe looking for the baddest of the bad.
You're gonna get neutered.
So sit back as we count down
3, 4, 5.
to crown a winner. It's all coming up on Bad Dog. So who is this week's baddest of the bad? It's Riley. She can take a coffee table and a 36-inch cake with a single bound. Riley is a super dog that doesn't let anything stand in the way of stealing the crown.